Hello everyone, welcome to Daffy Dragon Blockchain Technology. In this video, we'll create a whitelist smart contract where user can buy or sell their tokens even the trading is stopped. And if you're interested in honeypot smart contract and backdoor smart contracts, so just contact us on Telegram and you can buy paid version of honeypot tokens and backdoor contracts. So let's create our whitelist contract. So here we have a simple token with whitelist function. So here is our contract name and is inherit BP20 and is ownable, and here the main thing for stopping the trade, and we create here a boolean and make visibility public and giving name it trading enable and it's false. And here we create a mapping where we store the user data to whitelist is okay or it's like a blacklist like this. So in constructor our token name is Daffy Dragon and symbol is DFD, and here is the router address. It's for the mainnet. If we are testing this token, so we need to change this router address on the testnet. So you can choose your wallet if you want to by default add to whitelist at the time of the deployment. Otherwise, if we remove these two lines, we no need, and it's nothing. And the here on the transfer function, so there is the main logic, and if unequal whitelist sender and unequal whitelist reception, so require trading enable means we need we set here the conditions for the sender and the from the reception to trade enable. If they are whitelisted, so they can trade, and if they are not whitelisted and the trading is off, so they cannot buy or sell their tokens. So here is an function we can call it to enable trading on, and there is add any wallet in the mapping to update whitelist, and we can add the new user address in the whitelist, and this function is the bulk whitelist. If we have many addresses like 10 addresses, 20 addresses or 100 addresses, so we can add this all addresses at once transaction in the whitelist. So only the whitelist user can trade, buy and sell tokens, and other users cannot buy or sell tokens. So this is our contract. So let's check how the compiler version is 8.17. So make it compile. And deploy. So I'm deploying here on the Remix virtual machine. Okay, and choose here the network contract Daffy Dragon and make it deploy. Oh, sorry, I cannot deploy it here on the remix virtual machine, because we set here the network network, so we cannot deploy here. So we need to change this address for the testnet. Let me add any testnet router address. So I'm changing this mainnet router address to, I have a testnet router address, so need to compile it again. And I will deploy it on the BSC testnet. So I need to change here on the BSC testnet. Okay, and here injected provider MetaMask. Okay, and choose the network here, sorry, network, choose contractor Daffy Dragon and make it deploy. Continue. Okay, and make confirm. So follow the transaction on the testnet explorer. Okay, click here, view on block explorer. So it's created, and here you can see, let me verify this contract, or in next video I will add the liquidity in this token and show you how it's working, this smart contract. So you can you can copy this code, and you can use it as you want. So wait for the next video. I will add liquidity and verify this contract, and show you how is buying and selling works.